This next language of the 16 considered dialects is imprinted patterns. We talked about it before in another video where it's the things we do habitually each day, right? Some things are inherited, some things are convenient, some things we mimic, and some things we just do and just do it. No clue why, but it's just part of our day. Imprinted patterns. What are some imprinted patterns? What are some patterns you do each day or through the week or monthly, however you know, in your schedule, that you deem necessary to get through your day or even navigate your life journey? Where'd you get your patterns from? Mental thinking of how to accomplish a thing, decisions making, raising our children, your children, interacting with our social ecosystems, friends, families, or loved ones. Sometimes it's a pattern behind that. Imprinted patterns. One thing I know about an imprinted pattern is, and I have several, we all have had them, we all use them. One of the things that I implemented was taking those baby steps on, like, why do I do this like this? And I know we might say, I have to take baby steps on everything. If you want a mental evolution, if you want to know your true why, be able to pass that on to the next generation and support the folks you mentor and look up to you, we have to take those baby steps. Because some things we discover can be shocking. They can be more than we want to deal with. And those baby steps allow us to prioritize those things that are imprinted in our patterns. Those things that we do just because. Making friendships. Do you use the same process to make friends? Or any other type relationship? Do you use the same process to go to work, to get off work, to interact at work? Do you do the same processes when you're doing your hobbies or things you're passionate about? Why? Do we do them because they work? Do we do them because it's something that we created? Do we do it because we mimic? Imprinted patterns. Now, those are this language is so intertwined with everything else, all of the other languages actually, in a manner that dictates our actions. It dictates on how we think and perceive. Imprinted patterns. Wow. Yeah. This next language, we're getting close. We're getting close, everybody. Thank you for your patience. This next language is one that I know we have to practice at. We have to do it in a manner to where it equals the same result. Clear communication with ourselves. This language is, you see I'm smiling, right? Because I know this language is totally amazing.